Assalamualaikum. Thank you, sir, as a panel, Technologist Muhammad Arif bin Muhammad Anwar, for watching our group's presentation. I'd like to quickly introduce myself. I am Nur Husnila Aina binti Muhammad Iskandar and my matrix number is 01DDT19F1139 and our group's member are Siti Nuraisha and Amira Amani. Also, our supervisor is Madam Siti Shamila binti Osmin and we are students from Information Security. I'm looking forward to talking with Sir today about our presentation project which is Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing using multiple tools. Next. First, I'm going to present about introduction. So it's most important part to proceed in more depth on the next presentation. So to be aware, in this era, the world has been shocked by an e-pandemic that has affected the world global, which is the COVID-19 pandemic. In this pandemic, encouraged cybercrime increased 600% involving malicious website and data thief, as well as the security level of a website was the target of cybercrime during the COVID-19 pandemic. Recently, some well-known bank website and the organization, also Malaysia government, may attack success discredit the privacy of user by hacking and serious security breach. However, on 3 October 2020, more than 100 global companies from 81 countries has been hit by data leaks or data breach during the first 6 months of 2020. This is because the security system, by exposing such vulnerabilities that encourage hacking of a website system and network, is a viable weakness. As such, we have launched a penetration testing project for maintenance network system security. The process involved are used to analyze the system or network to identify security vulnerabilities. The system that we will do in our project is a penetration testing that use a packet process that it capture from a live network can be analyzed without difficult the tools itself. Next. So the problem statement, distribute denial of service DDoS attacks. Various type of attack from cybercrime due to weak security system. And third, static hide loss due to weak security system lead to attack from cybercrime and result in loss of millions of dollars. Fourth, data breach. And fifth, users do not trust to use an unsafe system or website. Okay, lastly is giving a negative impact and causing high loss to other organizations. Next. On the graph figure show, during the first 3 months of 2020, a total of 8.4 billion record were leaked, increase of 2,073% over 2019, only 4.1 billion record leaked. The 2020 data breach report show including the total cost of global data breach average 3.86 million in the 2020, down about 1.5% from the 2019 with previous years. Next. And last, my part is objectives. To perform an attacks on https sifubags.com website using fusing attacks and denial of service DOS attack. So the next objective is to analyze existing vulnerabilities on the website as well as identify the types of attack involved in sensitive data. So the next objective is to provide the best suggestion to improve the website system after knowing the result of scanning for existing website vulnerabilities. I will pass the next presentation to our presenter, Siti Nuraisha.
Okay, my name is Siti Nuraisha binti Amidun. My number matrix is 01DDT19F1053. Okay, I will continue. Number 4 is the scope. First, our scope is we choose to attack and test the https sifubags.com website. Next, we doing a fusing attack and DOS attack on the website. Third, we perform penetration testing using multiple tools such as Wireshark and Mnet to get the result of the attack we perform. Fourth, we perform vulnerability scan using multiple tools such as Nexus, Seguri, and Probably to detect website vulnerability that can make it sensitive information easily. 5, and last, we target the client website to perform a solution to the weakness found. Okay, next. Number 5 is project verification. Our project is impact to the client. First, the website we most secure when we attack and give recommendation to customer to improve the security of the website. Number 2, it make it different for attacker to attack doing to the thick security of the client website. 3, data security can be critical when user use a client website. 4, user are able to perform tasks with use a client website. And last, able to protect customer data from being stolen or sold to another parties. Okay, next, I will continue. Number 6 is a literature review. So in the literature review, our target is have 4 website, attack, penetration testing, and vulnerability scan. So first website is https://sifu.com. Sifu.com is a website created to solution in the digital platform. This website is created to design and develop solution based on the latest technology and application. Next. Second is attack website. As you can see before this, we doing the attack fusing and DOS. So first, fusing is the automatic bug detection. Fusing tools is the tool stress the application and cause interpreted behavior, resource leak, and crash. Okay, next, number 2 is Dying of Service attack, or we call it is the DOS. It's a cyber attack in which the practitioner seek to make it a machine or network resource unavailable, and also flooding attacker machine or resource with demand in fact to abandon more than encrypted. Next. Number 3 is the tools for penetration testing. We use a Wireshark and AppMed. So Wireshark is open source and free. Wireshark is the network problem solving and analysis software application protocol development and education. So number 2 is AppMed. We calling network mapper. Is open source and free scanner. It's used to find hosts or service on the computer network by sending packet and analysis response. So also detect open and close port. Next. Number 4 is the tool scanning for vulnerability. As you can see, we use 5 tools to get different result. So first we use Nexus Extraction. Extraction ni dia include and speed unit to discover, practice and fight fit vulnerabilities. Second is security. Security is the tools using block list for Google message security access scan and block list to scan malware. And third, number 3 is probably is into your apps and vulnerability to recognition infect. In person to prove you doing EBT, you can reduce your website risk. For pen test tools, is also a security scan to detect such as outdated servers, software, issue HTTP hider, cookies, and a few of other. First and last, observatory test for privacy, visual agent, cross-site script attack, middle attack, cross-site information key, and cookies. Next, I will pass to next presenter.
Thank you, Aisha. My name is Nur Amira Amani binti Ahmad and my matric number is 01DDT19F1142. I will explain about cost planning. As you can see, this table shows a list of estimates for the cost involved throughout the implementation of this project. A. Hardware cost. Number 1 is an HP laptop. It's my own, so there is no cost. B. Software cost. There are 4 types. Number 1 is Windows 10, already available, so there is no cost. Number 2, vulnerability scanning. This is a list of tools that we have used, such as Pentest tool, Security, Nexus, Probably, and Observatory. Number 3, tool attacks. We use Kali Linux, VMware Workstation, and OS Z. Number 4, penetration testing. We use Wireshark and Nmap. All these tools also have no cost involved because they are free and open source. C. Operational cost involved is electricity bill for 1 month, RM 50 ringgit, and internet for 1 month, RM 30 ringgit. So the total amount for the estimate cost involved is RM 45 ringgit. Next, conclusion. The conclusion that we have obtained for the result of the penetration test on the Sifu Bat website, we can identify whether the level of security system on the website is safe or not for the user. Therefore, with the result of this penetration test, we hope it can provide recommendation to the developer of the Sifu Bat website to create a more secure website. A system testing that we have done can be used by all users to prevent any theft and breach of data for security purpose user. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.